Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Welcome to our guide on making K-Bomb Tom Yum Ramen. In this video, I will explain how to craft this exciting fusion dish, blending the fiery kick of Korean ramen with the vibrant, sour, and spicy notes of classic Thai Tom Yum soup. Get ready to learn how to build a deeply aromatic broth and combine it with perfectly cooked noodles for an unforgettable meal. This full guide will help you achieve a truly bombastic flavor experience right in your own kitchen. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You will need 1 package of ramen noodles, fresh lime, and 2 stalks of aromatic lemongrass. Don't forget about 2 inches of galangal, 4 to 6 kaffir lime leaves, and 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. For that signature K-bomb kick, have 1 to 2 tablespoons of chili paste ready. Finally, include about 6 ounces of mushrooms and your preferred protein, such as shrimp or chicken. Now let's craft the heart of our dish, the flavorful Tom Yum broth. Begin by simmering 3 to 4 cups of chicken or vegetable broth with your bruised lemongrass and sliced galangal for about 15 minutes. Next, stir in 1 to 2 tablespoons of chili paste, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, and the juice of 1 fresh lime. Finally, add your chosen protein, like shrimp or chicken, and 6 ounces of sliced mushrooms, cooking until just tender. With your rich Tom Yum broth ready, it's time to assemble your K-bomb ramen. Cook 1 package of ramen noodles separately, following the package directions, typically for 3 to 4 minutes. Once cooked, drain them and place them into a serving bowl. Ladle the hot, aromatic Tom Yum broth, complete with protein and mushrooms, over the noodles. For a perfect finish, garnish with fresh cilantro, sliced scallions, and a perfectly soft-boiled egg. Enjoy your homemade K-bomb Tom Yum ramen.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.